In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates and wizards in LibreOffice Writer. If you've ever stared at a blank page wondering how to lay out a letter, a report, or a business document, templates are your best friend. They give you a professionally designed starting point with styles, spacing, and layout already in place, so you can focus on your content instead of formatting. In LibreOffice Writer, wizards are related helpers that guide you through setting up certain documents step by step. Today, we'll focus on using templates directly, which is the quickest way to get a polished result. Start by opening LibreOffice Writer. Once you're in, head to the top menu and choose File, then New, then Templates. This opens the Template Manager, which is where all your ready-made designs live. Think of it as a gallery of starting points curated by purpose. Inside the Template Manager, you'll see categories that group templates by what they're for, like business correspondence or letters. Pick a category that matches what you need. This keeps your search focused and helps you find layouts that are already optimized for that type of document. As you browse, take a moment to notice the names and previews. A quick preview can tell you a lot about the overall look, the space for addresses, headers, or signature blocks, and the default font choices. When you find a template that seems right, click it to highlight your selection. If you're comparing several, don't worry, this step doesn't commit you to anything yet. Once you're confident, click Open. LibreOffice Writer will create a brand new document based on that template, leaving the original template untouched for future use. That means you can safely customize the new document as much as you like without altering the source design. From here, you're ready to start typing. Replace any placeholder text with your own content and take advantage of the built-in styles for headings, body text, and lists to keep everything consistent. The beauty of starting with a template is that margins, spacing, and typography are configured to work together, so your document looks clean and intentional right away. A quick note on wizards. In Writer, many wizards simply guide you through choices that end up applying a template behind the scenes. Once you're comfortable picking the right template in the Template Manager, you'll find that you can achieve the same results quickly and confidently. That's all you need to jumpstart professional documents in LibreOffice Writer using templates. Try a few categories, pick the design that fits your purpose, and let the template do the heavy lifting while you focus on your message.